Well, guys, look like it's finally happening. We're gonna get this transmission out of the shop. Pretty happy about that, and see if we can't get it right in that dozer. Smile, Connor, you're on camera. He's got it figured out how he's hooking it up, I guess. I guess you want me to get in the machine, huh?
Yeah. Up a little. Gotta square up a little better. Might work. So pull into it a little. Pull in? Yeah.
That's it.
Turn that way hard. What do you think it is, Mark?
I can see what it is. It's this. It's going like this. This is going like this, just a little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
It's like
That is our problem.
just a little bit.
I think what we gotta do is we gotta stop.
What do we think?
Ha!
It's nothing.
Ooh, that went in a little bit. What about your side's hanging?
My side's not in yet, but you're in, huh?
Yeah.
If you pin it,
Well,
it's
I'm not
gotta
sure we
go
want
another
to until we get
inch
the
and a
other
half.
side. You know, I'm on the other camera. He's got it pretty much in there. Just a matter of getting things bolted up. Don't be a weakling.
yeah. Go in reverse.
Guest cameraman Mark taking over. I mean, Mark Spielberg.
Turn the wheels around. Try that. Now pull into it again. Now back out of it again.
There it goes.
Oh, it's dang close. Just an inch. Just a nothing.
So it's got to go up just a little bit, right? It's like
Nice. Well, that's one. We're gonna get one on the other side, and then we gotta do pivot. Oh, that looks like it lines up pretty good.
Well, then I can do the rest of that follow job.
Yeah.
If we just stay with
Get this out of the way.
Yeah, this side has to go forward a lot.
Well, I'm gonna cut into it then. I'll crank the wheels and I'll.
Yeah. Just right and turn that around. Somehow making it worse.
I will tell you what it did. It lined these right up though, because it went down. It lined that right up.
Yeah, but
Do you want to put more in?
Worse. Well, you want me to try backing out of it?
I can't believe it made it worse, but it did.
I don't know how either. Guys, it's not to do with the way the chain is. We can loosen the chain, right?
Probably get the chain out of the way and just bump it with the wire. Yeah, if it was that easy, you definitely can.
Whoa! That might have been a little premature. It's just barely hanging on a nut back there.
That ain't good.
Well, let me pull into it.
Now you gotta lift up on it again.
I think unhooking the chain was a mistake, huh?
Well, I got this pin that off hole, and it's pinned there, it isn't gonna fall out. Let you back the machine up.
You're going to lose your track over here.
This is stopping it now. When do you think it go together? Let me get a chain wrapped around that and a binder and try and ratchet it forward.
Got some weight on it. Okay, so we got the chain hooked there. We hooked down here. We got one bolt on this side. Well, there could be something else holding it, like down in here. I wondered about that. See, this is a pretty precise fit, and when we had to put shims in that when we lined up the pinion and the ring gear, and depending on the shimming, it changes the distance here. I was wondering if that matters, but maybe it does a little bit. But it's in there far enough to where it ought to pop in. See anything, Mark? Well, maybe a bigger bar. That's always my answer. Bigger bar. Ooh, new plate. Oh, you got it moving. Got to take some pressure off the hoe, which will make that tighter. So you guys want to stand back when I do that. Oh, you don't have to run away completely. Nothing. Whoa, stop. That's pretty good.
Yeah, drop it down.
Put it right kind of in place almost. Probably get one of them bolts in there.
There was a lot of tension there.
I brought you a bigger bar, Connor, because evidently you didn't have your Wheaties this morning.
Let's see what bigger is.
See?
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
The leverage is all in the last 6 inches. Well, you got to line right up.
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you put a bolt in there?
Well, yeah, okay.
Somebody has to be Captain Obvious around here. I want to be moved up to like Colonel Obvious.
You're General Obvious.
General Obvious. Man, 4-star General of Obviousness. Look at that. It fell right into place. Well, see you later. Get this thing bolted up. I'll be back when you're ready to run.
Oh, that's funny.
What? Those should line up.
Not even close.
What do you mean not even close?
Does it need to be lifted up?
Well, it's got to be rolled around a little bit.
Let it roll. Maybe it'll do it. Weird.
Yeah, I see it. It's tipped in the back.
Yeah.
Oh no. I bet if that chain wasn't on there, it would flex. Time to lose the chain again.
Not yet.
No?
Drive like one bolt hole off. Okay, I think you're right about the chain now.
That's in there, just not all the way. We got to waggle it around a little bit.
And then I'll just hop in the machine and lift up just gently. How do you do it, Mark?
You got to hit the releaser.
I know just how to do it.
You can't expect the cameraman to know how to work a come along. Looks like Connor's not sure either. So you're going to pick up a hair on it, right? Let me get the big hammer. Looks like some more will go too, Connor. That looks lined right up, actually.
Here, show the hammer.
Oh, huh?
Hammer toss.
Yeah.
Pick up straight, and we'll try and get those 4 into the main transmission body.
They got to go up?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's just lifting the whole thing. So these bolts will go in now for some reason. What's causing that?
What is causing it? Is it part of that spring scenario? Is that part of it? No, we didn't have this problem last time.
No, we did not.
Yeah, the rail's got to go down. Yeah. So that'll happen easy.
It will?
Yeah, because we already have gravity on our side. Gravity. I don't know about gravity. It's undependable.
That's what I want up the back of this.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's picking up on this end, Connor.
Should we just let everything down?
Well, if you block up the transmission and come around the front with the backhoe, pick up a little.
Let's do that. Or I'll just use bottle jacks to do both of those.
Honestly, you don't.
Then I could tune it in better.
You don't even need to because it's hanging here. If we get another one of them bolts in there, let's put one of the big bolts in the other side.
Okay.
It'll hang there, and then we can drop the tranny on the back. It'll hang there, and we'll just bottle jack it in place. Probably will work.
Yeah, it's got to go down.
Here, let me see the bolt.
These tires are really spots.
Yeah, they are. Okay, he's gonna let it down. Down. Got it. It's hanging. You popped right out. You gotta get these bolt holes lined up, but I can't even, yeah. The frame is about a half a hole high. So we gotta figure that one out.
It should lift up on.
So we gotta get blocking under here first.
Right. Yeah.
Then pick that, and I bet it'll pop right in. Yeah.
The frame has to actually go down.
I think we pivot it from the front.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
What'd you say?
Just say it, you know?
What? You think I'm right?
You're okay. I think you're all right there.
All right.
Well, this doesn't need my help anymore.
There goes Mark Spielberg.
I will tell him the truth.
Thanks for doing all that filming, Mark.
My bracket's held up. That's good.
Yeah, that is good. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
What is wrong with those boys? They need Ritalin.
Yeah.
Get them on Ritalin right away. They're acting like boys.
Oh, where you going?
See you later. Bye. Nice knowing you. Oh no, Bo went in to drink.
He's not crying because he's dirty. He's crying because I pulled him out.
He's mad because you pulled him out?
Yeah, he just sat down.
Oh, he's rookie. Head back for it now.
Bobo.
Oh, look at that mud.
Oh, you're getting naked before you get in the car.
I can't see it on the camcorder, but it's lining right up. A little more. I think you'll get a bolt in this side.
Just grab it in flat.
Connor's getting these bolts all started, which is awesome. So anyway, we got this thing plucked in here. We gotta get the bolts in, things lined up, but we're on our way now. So we'll start getting this thing buttoned up and see if we can get it running. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys on the next one.